Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to delete call history on Messenger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you want to delete your call history on Messenger, first open up the Messenger application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. So let's say you just call someone right over here and then basically select your call history. So your call history will be located under the calls tab at the bottom of your screen. I haven't really called anyone, so I'll just try to call a random person over here. So once I call a random person, now my call history will get set and it will show up under the calls tab over here. So when you go to that calls tab, you will be able to delete that call history. Unfortunately, in mine, I have not placed any sort of calls, that's why I'm not being able to do so. So that's basically how you can delete call history on Messenger. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.